Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring. Stock reference number 3863. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand front as well as the roof. We have the right hand fog light, left hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 19-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor type. Right hand garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door also appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It is a black leather center console lid. It's an automatic type console, electric handbrake type, auto gear shifter, climate control dual zone heater controls. It's got a factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass and sunroof type. Left sun visor, owner's manual service book in a dealership case, right hand sun visor, and it's got a tidy leather 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.